You don't see many of those around anymore.
All right, if you guys want any food, they're going to be serving food inside till 5 o'clock. We have drinks up here, water and pops, $1. And when you go inside to go to the beer garden to get something to eat, please make sure you're wearing your masks. And if you're not a member of the Elks here, please to sign in on the guest book. Miss Sandy Jackson is going to be doing this 50-50 here in just a couple minutes. So if you don't have a ticket, you better run up here and get one.
I'm sorry?
If I give you my email address, can you send me that?
This video?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can send you the YouTube link when I upload it.
Okay.
That'd be easier for me.
Everything is lowercase, just like the Thunderbird, but it's T-Bird.
Okay.
0512@yahoo.com.
Okay.
Really.
I might have to find you and write that down.
No worries.
I'm Polish.
You got the film on, right?
Well, I mean, I do have the film on.
Okay.
And the mic's on, so yes.
Terry Burgess.
Okay.
Email address is T-Bird, lowercase, T-Bird0512@yahoo.com.
Okay, alrighty.
Thank you, baby. I got to see this
Terry
forward.
Burgess, you are being summoned. Terry Burgess.
That was a good thing I filmed that, I guess.
DJ table. Getting ready to do the 50-50 raffle. $88 to the winner. So get your tickets out.
Terry, listen for the number. Get ready to call it. Can you all hear me? I would like to thank everyone for participating today, especially my close friends Jeff, Sandy, and Bob, and Dale. They've been helping me do this for many years, and I hope to continue to do this. Number one, I want to thank the veterans. I want to thank the USA for what we are. Try to come back next year. We've got a long way to go today. Stay with us. I love cars. I love people. Let's just sit down, relax, eat, drink water. And I know drivers don't drink beer that often. But thank you again, and please come back.
My lover's heart for me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow fly straight to my lover's heart for me. Now, I don't mean to bother you, but I'm in distress. There's danger of me losing all my happiness. For I love a girl who doesn't know I exist, and this you can fix. So, Cupid, draw back your bow and let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart for me. Nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow
Hey, how's it going? You guys doing okay? Chilling in the shade?
Yeah, we were out there in the sun and we got there.
And you got right the heck back.
Here we come.
Yeah, I hear you.
Senior spot.
Ah, I see. I see. You guys take it easy. Hi, Don. I see you're chilling in the shade as usual. Yeah. Oh, you took a nap? Wow, that's shocking. When am I get to borrow this for the weekend? When can I borrow this for the weekend? Oh, okay, sweet. Hey, I won the 50-50.
Did you?
Yeah. They let me buy a arm's length.
How much was it?
80 some bucks.
Was it really?
I only spent 10.
Good.
Good deal, huh? I know. Sure. Wait, is that the weekend rental fee?
What?
Is that the weekend rental fee? 20 bucks for this for the weekend? Oh, that's a good deal. All right, I'll get with you. All right, Don. Don, take it easy. All right. Oh, I will. You know me. Oh.
Say goodbye, I'll still go on loving you. Each night I ask the stars up above, why must I be a teenager in love? I cried a tear for nobody but you. I'll be a lonely one if you should say we're through. Well, if you want to make me cry, that won't be so hard to do. And if you should say goodbye, I'll still go on loving you. Each night I ask the stars up above, Why must I be a teenager in love? Why must I be a teenager in love? Why must I be a teenager in love? Why must I be? On Sponge Gate, watching the sun bake. All of us tourists covered with oil, strumming my six string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a wrong way, but I know it's nobody's fault. Don't know the reason, stayed here all season. Nothing is sure but this brand new tattoo. But it's a real deal.